Hello there. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the OnlyFans mod. So as you can see, we go in here and we can do view all profiles, anti-ban, and download videos. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this mod for your device. So it's pretty easy. Just go to tweakmod.com, type in OnlyFans, and press install. And then it's going to start downloading. So we're just going to wait. So before it downloads, you may see something come up telling you that you have to download these apps. Like it's like a verification. So it's totally part of the process. I'll show you how to do it. But let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. All right, so I'm just going to give it a second to load. So yeah, it's super easy, guys. So let's just let it do its thing. All right, so here we go, guys. We're at the end now. So yes, we are now at the end. So as you can see, it says complete missing files. So it's going to be all these apps. So you got to get 2 of them and follow instructions. They're 100% free from official store. I would just do Travel Town because you just got to reach level 10 on it. So just press continue. It'll bring you to the store, download it, reach level 10. So yeah, it's fairly easy. You don't have to do this one, but if it comes up, I'd highly recommend it. So yeah, it's fairly easy, guys. Most of these games are not very hard to play, but some of them aren't games, but I would just do the game ones because they're so simple, bro. So that's how to get the OnlyFans mod. Just make sure you get 2 of these apps and you read what it says below each app, and then you get the OnlyFans mod. You can view all profiles, anti-ban, and download videos in the app. So it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want to get this on your device. It's super cool. And no ban is needed or anything. They will never ban you. They will never know you are viewing profiles without paying. Trust me, it's legit.